There's no way for humanity to thrive in this kind of um, structure. It's not meant for humans to thrive. It's absolutely meant for slavery, taking our free will and our focus from our heart song and moving it into survival mode. And that's very sad. As I say this, I'm grieving. I'm grieving all the lives that are stuck in this pattern. So this must fall away. And it's going to be difficult to watch, but not impossible to understand that this has to go in order for us to rebuild. So please, must watch how you're picking up like a sponge because of your receptivity other information that doesn't reside in your heart. Know that we are safe and taken care of, and there will be the story at the end of the breakdown will be the building, will be the freedom, will be the rest. We've all been working so hard and we have been traumatized.